$12,000 for full mouth dental implants. I'm Emma, your medical concierge here in Chengdu. Today I'm with Robert from California for his full mouth restoration. In the US, he was quoted $60,000 with a 6-month wait. But we are starting his transformation tonight for a fraction of the cost. $2,100. I'm waiting at the CTU International Arrival Gate ready to welcome Robert. $2,120. Robert arrives, and we share a warm handshake after his long flight. $2,135. We are loading his luggage into the concierge vehicle. $2,155. We are driving through the brightly lit streets of Chengdu, heading to the city center. $2,215. We arrive at the hotel for a seamless VIP check-in. I'm ensuring his room is comfortable and wishing him a good rest for tomorrow's surgery. 8 o'clock. I'm picking up Robert from the hotel lobby to head to the dental clinic. 8:20. We arrive at the Specialized Dental Surgery Center. 8:30. I'm assisting Robert with the registration and medical history paperwork. 8:45. We are meeting the implant specialist for the final surgical plan review. 9 o'clock. We are performing the 3D CBCT scan to map the bone structure. 9:30. The doctor is explaining the precise placement of the implants on the digital screen. 10 o'clock. Medical procedure step 1. We are beginning the gentle extraction and site preparation. 11:30. Medical procedure step 2. The specialist is successfully placing the titanium implants. 1300. Medical procedure step 3. We are taking the digital impressions for the temporary bridge. 1400. We are reviewing the post-op x-rays to ensure perfect placement. 1430. I'm providing the medication, ice packs, and a detailed recovery briefing. 1500. We are placing the implants and temporaries today. The final permanent crowns will be fitted after the healing period in a few months. 1530. I'm transferring Robert back to the hotel with a specially prepared soft food meal. 1600. We saved Robert $48,000 and months of waiting time. Service project.